According to Politico, Russian soldiers killed a Ukrainian army volunteer on the outskirts of Kyiv and placed his body in his car trunk. They also fitted the trunk with a mine that exploded when Ukrainian forces attempted to move him. The soldier's widow, Lyudmyla Kyrpach, told Politico that she and her husband, Oleksandr, did everything together. Oleksandr, a mechanic, assembled volunteer fighters in his village of Kalynivka, near Kyiv, the day after the invasion began in late February, Kyrpach told the source. Oleksandr's friends headed out driving on March 1st, just days after Russian troops encroached on their community, to see if they could get further intel about Russian army activities up close. After they failed to return, she informed Politico's Christopher Miller that he set out to find them. So he headed off to find them, but he never came back. Lyudmyla, unable to sleep, set out the next day with her pals to find him. According to the account, Lyudmyla's friend observed that the trunk was peppered with bullets, and they opened it to find Oleksandr's body. Fearing that the trunk was booby-trapped, her buddy dragged her away from the vehicle. They returned to the scene on March 4th with the Ukrainian soldiers. Soldiers fastened ropes to his limbs and walked away from the car, carefully pulling to test if it was rigged. The vehicle burst in a ball of flames as soon as they pulled the rope.